Okay, concentric vent kit is in. Well, not completely. The intake is done. Still need to do the exhaust. That's next. And that is right up there. I've got a cap on it because it's freezing outside. And we'll come right over here. Come to a 90, to a 45, to a 90. And unit number 1 is hooked up. I cut the intake pipe out for the Bosch, obviously, because that's the hole we used for the concentric. And for now, it's just pulling air from the basement. Not ideal, but it's fine temporarily till I can get this unit going, hopefully in less than a week here. And yeah, we're getting there, making some progress. So I will show you guys the what happened last night here. It snowed, and thanks to the insulation underneath my driveway, as you can tell, my driveway is the only one with snow on it, which is lovely. See where the cars are parked, but this is exactly why I need to get this turned on. See here, nobody else's driveway has snow on it. Just mine. And that is 100% the insulation working against me. Or doing what it's supposed to do. So there you go. People who don't say the insulation doesn't work, it works. Definitely isolates the ground from the slab. There's your proof. So for those of you just doing this, insulate your slab. Because if it's stopping that much heat from Mother Earth from coming up, think of how much heat loss it's stopping from that slab going into the ground. So anyway, yeah, we'll tackle this next. We'll get this exhaust pipe on there. Oh, I should have showed you the outside, the concentric vent, when I was out there. I will here in a second. But yeah, we'll keep moving. And then this one, the second one here, is going to go in this cavity some way, shape, or form. And it's going to pick up where that vent is for the Bosch there. So it'll use that hole. As soon as I can get this unit fired up and handling all the hot water, that unit can come down. This unit can be vented, and then I can fire this one up, and now I've got both units easy linked together, handling all of my domestic, and then it is 100% into radiant and snow melt mode, which is just that little bit there. Little bit. It's actually a lot of work, but no worries, we'll get it done. Okay, so this is what the outside looks like. Ignore all the garbage all over the siding there. That's from me cutting the fiber cement. The original back plate that was here was much smaller. It was more like this size, just for that one 3-inch pipe. So what I did was I made another one to match this one, and actually I made 2 of them, because this one, as you can see from the heat coming off this thing, has actually melted the PVC and then blown it all over the siding. So that's going to need to be repainted, and I'll pull all of this out, and then I'll put a new one of these in, which I already have made, and then this will look identical to that. So I'll have 2 of them here, 1 for each unit. Now the inner pipe isn't in yet. There's a 3-inch that goes inside here. But so this is the intake. It goes around the outside, and then your 3-inch comes up the middle, comes in here, and then I'll glue it all up, and that's how that'll sit. They said leave 1 inch here. I'm pretty sure they meant, you know, this is 1 inch, so, but I left a little bit more just in case they meant something else. I don't know, but yeah, we're getting there. It's supposed to be 60s later this week, so I'll probably wash all that down, and who knows, if I can get that heater up and running, I could get that one done. So thanks for watching.